let's get started having fun and learning. So we've got our Play-Doh here and we've got all sorts of colors. And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with all of this Play-Doh. So let's go over here and see what surprises happen. A neat thing will happen when we put our Play-Doh in this mold. Not only will we make a letter H, but we are going to get a surprise, and it'll be something that starts with the letter H. Do you know some words that start with the letter H? Like horse. Let's put our Play-Doh in here and see what this mold makes. Make sure it's in there nice and good. Fill all the spaces. And what will we create with this Play-Doh mold? What are some other things that start with the letter H? Hippo starts with the letter H. Do you think our mold will make a hippo? Are you ready to find out? Here we go. We've made the letter H. What else will we have created? What's on the back side? Can you tell what that is? It's a house. House starts with the letter H. That is so cool. We made a kind of a sloppy H. There we go. We can fix it up a little bit. Letter H. And our surprise was house. This is such a neat toy, and I'm having so much fun learning our letters. We are going to pick a letter. On your mark, get set, pick. Whoa! He picked the letter F. Did you see it? It was so fast. Right here. His water cannon picked the letter F. Do you know what sound the letter F makes? It makes frog. We're gonna make the letter F. Can you think of any other words that start with the letter F? How about forest? Or fruit? Fruit. Lots of fun words that start with F, but which one are we creating? You think it's ready? Let's pull this out. Our F is stuck. There we go. We've got an F right there. And we're going to pull away some of the extra. What do you think we created? Can you tell what that is? It's a frog. That's so cool. What a cute frog. And our F. Ta-da! I think we can make a better F than that. Take some more of our green Play-Doh here. And we're going to go in like this. That's a little better. There we go. We've got our F and our frog. Frog. Uh-oh, our door fell off. Here we go. Put our door back on. Like this. And there we go. We've done the letter H and the letter F. I found these online, and they're called Squish by number, but they're from Play-Doh, and you get to create some artwork. Now, these are really old, and you're not going to believe this, but the Play-Doh inside is really hard. So, we're not going to be using this Play-Doh, but I wanted to use some of our Play-Doh and check it out. On our Squish by number, it says that in slot 6 and 4, we should do pink. So here's 6 and here's the 4. And we're going to get out our pink Play-Doh and fill those sections up. we need to do section 4. Make sure to fill it in all the way and take away the extra. There we go. We've got section 6 and 4 with pink Play-Doh. It looks great. Now we need to do sections 3 and 2 with blue Play-Doh. So here is our blue Play-Doh, and we're going to fill in those spaces. We'll have to be careful so we don't mix it in with the pink. And there we go, we've got blue. Now we need to do the tail, which is section number 2. Can't wait to see how this turns out. There is section number 2. So do you remember what's left? We have section 1 and 5 that we need to make green. So we're gonna have to use our green frog. Oh no! Here we go. Poor frog. And we're gonna use him up here. This is a very colorful fish. Section 5 is done. Now, we just need to do section 1. It's our last color by number. Squish by number, I mean. We have created our fish. Look at that. We can give our fish an eye. Wow, that is so cool. I love it. It looks awesome. I had so much fun playing with Play-Doh with you today and learning our letters, counting and squishing by number. We made a fish. We learned about the letter F and the letter H. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a great time. Subscribe to our channel, Growing Little Ones for Jesus, and subscribe to our other channel, Best Learning Videos for Little Ones. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, everyone.